Meaning of Governor-General.
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 Governor-General. Governor-General refers to a high-ranking representative of the monarch in countries that are part of the British Empire or Commonwealth. The role of the Governor-General varies between countries, but generally includes functions such as serving as a ceremonial head of state, giving royal assent to legislation, and acting as a liaison between the government and the monarch. In some countries, the Governor-General also has reserve powers to intervene in political crises. Overall, the position holds significant symbolic and constitutional importance in the governmental structure of countries which have a Governor-General.